My study was actually inspired by a challenge I found in my organization. I work for a consulting organization called Accenture in South Africa. And when I joined the organization, there was a lot of discussion around innovation, technology, changes brought about by the Fourth Industrial Revolution. And I thought I could see leaders were struggling with how do they evolve to be able to lead in the Fourth Industrial Revolution. So my study was about building a framework for leadership to help the leaders in my organization respond to the challenges brought by the Fourth Industrial Revolution. TIPS integrates well with my leadership framework for the Fourth Industrial Revolution because there is an alignment in terms of understanding the roles that leaders need to embrace. There's an alignment between my Fourth Industrial Revolution model and the TIPS model. They work side by side to each other. But most important, I also looked at the definitions and the behaviors that leaders need to embrace and let go of in order to be a future relevant and also to be future proof as a leader. And TIPS model, leadership model, alongside my Fourth Industrial Revolution model work well alongside each other, and you can see they complement each other. And the beauty about the TIPS model and my leadership model is that as the country grows, as industries change, those models are going to be evolved and they will be built on. So there's a possibility for an extension when we look at what happens in the next revolution, the fifth revolution, the next revolution after that. Those models are going to continue to grow, learn, and leaders also need to unlearn, relearn, and try again to be relevant for the future. I'm proud of the fact that for my study, I built a methodology to verify a leadership framework. And this framework will obviously lead to leadership models in future as well. So my contribution to the world, really to South Africa, to Davincian, to my fellow PhD students as well, is being able to bring a methodology that can be verified for organizations to see the level of compliance within their various organizations.